What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. We're here at another lovely day here in Placerville. We were spoiled last week. It was like 82 degrees. It's back in the hundreds, so it's hot. We're sweating. Car is in the pit area. It is all unloaded, pretty much ready to go for the night, and it's about 2 o'clock, so we got a couple hours to sit around, but it is hot. But got tear-offs, 35 bucks for 30 tear-offs. Crazy. Anyway, please, if you can, consider hitting that subscribe button, like this video, and it is the big 40 night. It's $8,500 to win for the sprint cars. Probably still very little for us to win, but not expecting a huge car count. I hope some cars show up, you know, at least have 2 heat races, but we only got two races left in our season here at Placerville. We're sitting second points. We're 14 out. We're up by about 38 on third place, though, so not too much pressure from behind us. We're going forward, but gotta need a little bit of luck. So anyway, stay tuned to the video. Appreciate you guys following along, and we'll see you shortly.
Scared of nothing and I'm scared to death. I can't breathe and I catch my breath, but I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead end.
All right, we're going out for hot laps right now. The sprint cars just came in from back in the track, so we'll hopefully see if we got all the bugs out of the car that was causing that issue last week. So here we go. Well, that wasn't good. Falling on his face. All right, hot laps are done, and I think we have an electrical issue with the tack that we put in it. We put it in last week, and it's kind of the same issue in hot laps, and kind of having the same issue again. We tried it again, so that tack is getting unhooked. So if you saw in the video on hot laps, it's working, and in the heat race, there's no conspiracy. We didn't take our chip out, so we're taking that out now, and then gonna maybe check a few other things. In the heat race, we're rolling off last heat race of the night. In the late models, there's 2 heats. I started on the pole of the first heat, and got Kyle Ricardo and Anthony Slaney behind me, so gotta run it like hell. But that's probably gonna be in like a couple hours. So anyway, wish us luck for the night. All right, I just hopped out of the car. I feel awful. I've had like no throttle, slow. Coming out of the corner, it sounds like I'm hitting the chip, and I've got nothing. So we're gonna have to go back to John board and try to figure out what's going on. So kind of frustrating. Just fell back to last team and take the checker. Just pulled off. I was pissed. But the car felt like crap. Felt like I was maybe running out of fuel or hitting the chip or something. So we'll relay the message to Den and see what we can do.
Boys, we got a riser in our mix. He will get the last lap. It's the last thing he did. And he used to roll around in that red dirt mud. Now he's skipping town in that riser's out for blood. Don't stop
right, that'll do it for another exciting night at Placerville Speedway. Cars in the background, a ton of damage again, kind of self-inflicted. A car had a right rear flat going down. I misjudged it. I think he turned down a little bit and I didn't plan for that, and I launched over it. I'm sure you saw it in the video. So in the car, I guess we bent a steering rod or something in the heat race, because I was having to turn the wheel like I just saw it on the wheel. Even under the yellow, it wasn't right. So nursed it home to 5th place. We got one more race left here, so that's going to be in about a month. So anyway, we'll see you next time. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll